What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how I made these little mandalas, kind of a kaleidoscope effect on SketchUp here. So just doing these six-sided ones. You can do it however you want. So this one's 60 feet across, 30-foot radius. I have all the edges turned off. Edge that. Okay. So this is, I'm sure there's other ways to do it. I'm just going to show you how I did it. So I just need one of these, and then that's where your image goes. Make a component with that, not a group, has to be a component. Copy that, copy, or however you want to do it, click and drag. And then that one, we're gonna scale it, S for scale. And then that's -1. I mean, I probably should have figured out my axes better, but anyways, that's how you do that. So now that one's backwards, and then yeah, just basic. Rotate. Option to copy it like that, and then times 5, enter. Okay, so now you got that. Now we just pull in the file. I already have files made. Oh, you got to open one of these, and you have to click on the face so it's highlighted, and then go and get your file that you're going to use. I already made all these ones in Photoshop already, so they're all ready to go. Yeah, like this is just one I made. Okay, I just click it in here. I don't know why. I don't really know what I'm doing, but it always comes out weird on a weird angle. So anyway, so that's where it landed this time. I'll show you to adjust in a second, but let's take a look. So actually that's kind of cool. I like that. Let's go flower. So I'm going to go ahead and copy these because I want to keep that one. I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna go make unique while all these ones are selected. And so now that one's unique. And so I'm gonna go back to this one, because if you go back to this one, it's like you can't edit it for some reason. I don't know why. So I'll go back to the original one, and then right click when you open it, and texture, position. Okay, and now you have this move one to lock on your corner to where you want it. Here you can see where the space is, where you're trying to, what you have. So let's say, okay, I'll lock that on, and I'll take this rotate one. I want it over here. So, and then I'm just gonna pull that around to here, and it, let's see where we got. Okay. So there we go. And then we still have that other one because I made that one unique. And that's it. That's how we're doing it. And then yeah, you can turn off the profiles, the edges again, so you don't have the lines on the drawing. Oh, and then another fun thing. Let's do one more thing. That. Paste that. Okay. Make this one unique. And I'll go and edit this one. Okay, so position. So I found out is really fun with these little guys because you can really warp the image, which gives you a cool effect when you're doing this. It feels like digital tie-dye, to be honest, but so now let's look at that, see what that's done. Okay, so got some curvy, nice, fun things going on there. There we go. What do you think? It's got hearts. Hearts all around. Yeah, hearts that way, hearts that way. Cute. Like the color scheme. That one's fun. Flower one's cool. That's all from that one image. So you can imagine. And then, yeah, if you want to do more slices, like, so here we go option plus or minus, and you can add more sides. Oh, it says right there, 9 sides, 8 sides. Let's go with 10. Okay, 5 pieces, whatever. Go like this, cut that one in half. I mean, you can do it however you want, but this will make a more kaleidoscopy, I feel like, because it'll be a smaller slice. Component. That one, scale it. This one. Move that. Rotate. Okay. Rotate. Where are we at? Where we at, people? Okay. Here we go. Option 9. 9. 8. Whoa. No. Times 9. Okay. So this is something I haven't done. This is all experimental. People, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not an instructor by any means. I just kind of am trying to figure out how to make these kaleidoscope things simple. I'm sure there's some program. You would think Photoshop would just have that in there, but I guess not. I don't know. Because this isn't high quality, so after I figure out, I'm using this for concept, so I can see how do I want it to look, and then try to make that, then get it printed on the fabric, and then we're going to put it together and sew it and throw it in the air. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right. What are we doing here, people? We need to get this going because you guys probably got things to do. All right. Here we go. Frog. Import. Okay. Start. Position. Where do we get the frog? I want more frog in there. More frog, more frog. So let's see. Well, let's try it like this. See what happens. Okay, frog. So, there it is. 10 sides. 6 sides. Your choice. The choice is yours. All right. All right. Bye, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Love you guys. One more thing. Let's see. So I guess what I'm going to do is like, let's say, oh, this is what I want to do. I want to do this one. And then change it a little or something, maybe. But yeah, basically, that's all you need is that's, so you get, if you get something that you like, it's kind of experimental. I mean, you can sort of figure it out before you're doing it, but that's what's making it, right? And so that's what you're gonna need for printing, if you're gonna print it out. And so I'm just gonna take this into Photoshop and then probably recreate it in a high def, large, huge file, whatever, see what it is, and then I'll make it in Photoshop and then send that to the print shop, figure out all the measurements, everything. Yeah, all right. And then actually probably the other way, you'll have to flip it because this is a mirror image. So I think you'll have to print out half of one way and then half the other, like, so in this case, one, two, you know what I mean? Because you'll print it on a roll that's a rectangle, and then you'll have these kind of cut in half, the roll cut in half. So two different print setups is what I'm saying. You're printing two different images because one's backwards. Okay. Love you guys. Take care. Ciao now.